So now that your baby has safely arrived, we are going to prepare to take baby home, the first ride in their car seat. The car seat you purchased should fit your child, fit your car, and be easy for you to use. If possible, avoid buying a second-hand car seat. You don't know if this has ever been in an accident, been recalled, or is expired. Always register your car seat with the manufacturer. This guarantees your warranty. When installing your car seat, you will need to read the instruction manual for your vehicle and the baby's car seat. Your baby is safest riding rear-facing until they maximize the weight and height for the harness in their car seat. The child should not be turned forward-facing before 2 years of age. The car seat should never be placed in the front passenger seat. If the child must ride in a front seat, make sure the airbag is turned off. All children up to age 8 must ride in a child restraint system in Maryland and the surrounding states. Children should always ride in the back seat up until the age of about 13. The car seat, if adjustable recline, should be reclined for the infant position back to 45-degree angle. If the auto lap belt is used for installation, is it routed correctly according to the car safety seat manufacturer's instructions? And is it holding the car seat tightly in place? Can I move the seat more than an inch across the vehicle's back seat? If lower anchors are available in that seating position and you use them to secure the seat to the car, again, make sure that you do not move the car seat more than an inch across the vehicle seat. No aftermarket products should be added to your car seat at any time. This negates your safety guarantee. So do not add any headrests or those cute little giraffe harness covers to your car seat. Only things that came with the car seat should be in the car seat. Baby goes into the car seat in just their outfit. No bulky clothing, no snowsuits, no buntings. Once baby is harnessed into the car seat, you can place a blanket over to keep baby warm. When baby goes into the seat, you have 5 points of contact: 2 shoulders, 2 hips, and the sternum or breastbone. So you bring the harness over baby's shoulders, across baby's hips, buckle baby in, and your harness clip should ultimately be at the armpits, parallel to the armpits and firmly on the sternum. We should not be able to pinch any webbing at the collarbone. If I can pinch webbing at the collarbone, it is not tight enough yet. Also, check here by the hips and make sure there's not extra webbing hiding down there. Parents should always also remember to buckle up. Babies learn by example. I strongly encourage parents to have their car seats checked by a certified child passenger safety technician. If you would like assistance with your car seat, please call Maryland Kids and Safety Seats or visit the Maryland Kids and Safety Seats website, or you can call St. Joe's Childbirth Education and we can direct you. Thanks!